Our team is what dynamite. Our team is boom dynamite. Our team is what dynamite. Our team is hot dynamite. Our team is boom dynamite.
Oh, just sit right back and I'll tell you a tale like
Girls, how do you like our Catalina trip? What happened today?
The engine broke down.
Yeah, no.
And it exploded.
No, it didn't. What really happened?
Water got in the engine.
How come?
I don't
Let me see
know.
your tooth. Let me see your tooth. Okay. Yeah, that's a good smile. That's a
This
great
is my
smile.
cheering.
All right, go ahead.
Again. Oh yeah, my name is Melissa Rockable. I'm feeling fine, Rockable. You lost me, Rockable. I'll blow your mind, Rockable. I said I'll beat and bang, train my heel, and shake that thing, no Reese piece in the buttercup. You mess with me, I'll mess you up.
It was good.
Yay.
Wait.
Hey.
I'm shipping.
1, 2, 3, who's the bomb? Who's the bomb? 1, 2, 3, girls room. Woo woo.
That's from my softball team. Her softball team did not make that up. Mine did, so nah.
Who's the bomb? So, nah.
Me. Who
All right.
got a home run? Me.
Ow! Stuck on my toe.
Put your shoes on.
Our team is blast dynamite. Our team is blast dynamite. Our team is boom dynamite. Our team is blast dynamite. Our team is blast dynamite. Our team is boom dynamite.
Tamara, what's that called on the back?
Dinky?
What's it held on to the boat with?
What are those cords called? Stretchy cords. Huh?
I don't know. Bungee cord.
I love that one. Hey.
Tamara,
Where does Dad sleep on the boat?
at night?
On the boat.
In the bed.
Yeah, but what's the cabin called in back? The after.
No.
That is its name.
The afternoon cabin.
Why do I go down there in the afternoon? And go.
That's what she calls it. The afternoon cabin.
No.
The afternoon.
She lies. She lies.
No, I did not.
Melissa?
She lies. She lies. She lies.
Just sit right back and leave it. Tale of a fateful trip.
That started from this tropic port aboard.
the tiny ship.
Mate was a mighty sailor man, the skipper brave and sure. 4 passengers set sail this day for a 3-hour
tour. For 3-hour tour.
The engine started sounding rough.
No.
The tiny ship was stopped.
If not for the courage of the fearless skipper, the whole adventure would be lost. The adventure would be
Lost.
Oh, this is the trip where the engine was taking in some seawater and wasn't running that good, but it got us back. And we saw people getting what? How were they getting back into port? Towed in. But not us. We came back under our own power. Right? I was recording this. What?
The minnow would be lost.
So how did the skipper do getting us home today? Huh? Mom didn't think I could do it. Pull it
The
off.
boat should have been called the Sea Turtle.
13.5 nautical miles at sea, and we come back to port.
A 3-hour tour.
Under our own power!
3-hour tour. It took us 3 hours to get to the harbor. A 3-hour tour. A
What day
3-hour tour.
What day is today?
April Fool's Day.
April Fool's Day.
The 1st of April.
Who pulled the best April Fool's joke so far today? That would be me. Oh, yes,
What about my
sirree.
tooth? All of you guys saw It was an April Fool.
And it wasn't.
Show Mom your tooth again. Go like this. Give her a smile.
Let me zoom in.
There.
There's the tooth.
It stinks like an egg.
Who ate hard-boiled eggs today?
Me. You should have seen. Oh, okay. Me. You should have seen how I cracked it. I took the egg.
This is zooming in more.
Take out that little thing, the little screen.
Tiny ship was rock tossed. If not
Stop.
I want to see your tooth again now. One more time. Perfect. I love that too. Would be. Okay, here we are, Dana Point Harbor. It's pretty late. What is it, about 6:30, Laura?
quarter after.
Quarter after 6.
And I'm hungry. Let's go.
Oh yeah, let me just video.
This would be a good place to come in the summer because then the girls can go.
What happened this morning on the boat, girls?
She got money.
How come?
Because I got a tooth.
Give me a smile. Show me why. Yeah, that's right. Give me a bigger smile. Yeah. And what did you think about that, Melissa Brown?
I thought it was an April Fool's trick.
And so did he. And so did my mom. But it wasn't. See, I'll even give you proof.
Proof. No.
Are you buying everybody breakfast this morning?
No.
What a chipper. Alright, the girls have already had their morning boat hot chocolate. And Russ and Laura are making
Coffee.
What kind of stove do we use?
Money
What do we have to say, girls?
Yeah. Money maker, yeah. Let's go find some green, yeah. It smells mighty keen, yeah.
Well, I don't smell that coffee yet, but I still have a bad cold, so I can't smell anything.
The sun doesn't shine, yeah. When will it come down, yeah. We're sideways, yeah.
That'll look funny on the TV, I'll tell you that. Your turn. Tamara, how come you have bunny ears over you? Oh, your big smile, honey. Wait a minute, let me zoom in. Show your big smile. Show me your braces. They're coming off in about a month, so.
2 months.
2 months.
Oh yeah,
We're not going to see him much longer. Let me see him again. There you go. You can't wait to get him off, huh? This is the morning at the Browns. Hey! That better have been a fake one. It was?
Yeah, I went. Ow!
I don't like this.
Mommy. Ay.
You're going down, baby.
Oh! Let's play Mercy. I mean, wait. How do you play that game again? What's it called?
Mercy.
Okay, Mercy. We're playing Mercy. And Dracula.
Alright, that's a...
I know, we're going slow.
Just noticed the
I thought it was
manual
automatic
focus.
Oh, is it off now?
Yeah, you know what made me know? I was looking at, I couldn't read the words on the boats.
So you're saying I should have worn my glasses?
No, no.
This is tiring after a little while.
Where you guys going?
Probably what you were videoing yesterday in your focus.
Very well could be. Why do I have it tied on if you can paddle that good?
I don't know. I'm just thinking you should keep it there. Oh, almost there. Come on. Get more power. When we get there, I'm taking root.
Terry, you want to paddle? Huh?
No.
No?
It isn't even touching.
Is it break time?
Done. Yes. Totally.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah.
In my goggles?
Let me see. The determination of a... Ah, I got it. Hold on, Laura. There's the ham. And ham too.
Kids know the word. You guys know the word? Alright, so you guys know what you're doing. Let's see if you can keep up with the music now.
Hey, Rabbies. What are you guys doing? Hey.
Hey, you're videoing the bunnies.
Yeah. I'm gonna test the new TV's video jacks. You know what we last videoed in here? I was just looking.
Really? What?
The father-daughter dance.
Oops.
How did you do that one? I don't want to be a chicken. How's it go? Can you sing it real quick?
I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt.
I like that. I like that. Let's video the garden when it's just starting for the season.
Can't go out without shoes on.
There's the corn plants, little babies. Rabbits keep following me all over. The sunflowers have already kicked way up. It's a mess out here. Don't eat that. Stop eating that. No, no, don't eat that, no. Go away from there. There's our bumper crop of oranges. Nice day in Southern California. Let's try this zoom mode here.
Fuzzy was trying to get in the house. Aww.
The fuzzster.
Yeah, he wants to come in. Or she. I love that morning smell. How about you?
You like what, honey?
Morning smell.
Yeah, it smells great in the morning.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Guess what? Yesterday in the mall,
What?
Mommy was giving Michelle's mom
The
directions
dates.
to the Kern River.
I know. She told me last night. We're gonna go August 5th.
I know. Well, I knew we were gonna go in August, but not the 5th. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck.
So I shake my butt. So I shake my... Alright, let's... You're supposed to do that with Vera! Ooh, it's a homer. She's safe anyway. That's the way it's played. Auto safes. Ooh, he stops it. Out here coaching third. And the under construction team. I named them the champs, and the sponsors said under construction. What a Barney name for a team. Oh, big hit! Cassidy, come on, Cassidy! Dig, 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 dig! Come on, Cassidy! Cassidy, run! Cassidy! Come on! Go back to second. You go back to second. Go back to second fast as you can go. Go.
Way to be ready for that ball, Madison.
Cassidy, you ready to run home? All right.
Go all the way up, go!
Dig, dig. Keep running, keep running.
If you guys are stopping,
Sharon, every give it home run. Idiot!
I didn't say it. Johnny girls! Rose Danielle cut everybody.
Tamara.
Take your helmet off.
Danielle cut everybody.
Tamara. Tamara.
Go, 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 Madison. All right, good game. Good game. Hit that ball. I'm sorry. Good
Girls, can you get under construction as loud as you can?
Okay, everyone.
1, 2, 3, yell.
No, it's not. We're just switchers.
Tam Tam.
Don't forget your sweater in there.
Is there an extra?
Oh, never mind. I'm good, sweetie.
Well, maybe someday we'll show this video to John and Lupita. About a quarter mile away, headed this way. surprised by the lack of fire engine sound. I've heard one siren. Ooh, that might be a firefighter. About time.
Whoa, what the heck? Firing up again, Mommy. See it right there? See? That just started right there.
Well, the good news is it's blowing away from this house, so you know what I mean?
It's going down. It's starting down here.
Where?
What?
No, it's been there. I've been watching
Leave
it.
it. I'm going to water it some more. We'll...
It's going that way.
Whoa. I think they're down there because I bet one of the... You know what? I
That's
think
when
I
they
bet
started
the
firing.
building started a fire. And then it caught on to all those trees.
I bet it was kids.
Maybe. It dumps a bunch of wood.
Fire spotter.
No, it was right over. Well, maybe they're just doing that because they're in the Oh, it's so... Come on, Tommy.
Like, what do they got there? Four-wheel drive truck? It's steep. It's steep. Well, there's some areas where the shrubs are denser than others. Is that a tanker? Huh?
The flames are going up the hill by the...
I know, I told you it would. You know, and the fire department's down below.
I know they need to be up here.
Turning, Mommy. Turning. It's turning.
Look at it. The flames are growing.
I know, Laura, they're gonna grow. I want to get this guy dive bombing. Oh, wow.
Ow.
Wow, did that go up fast or what?
Oh, I did do something.
I didn't see anything come out.
Maybe they were all just teeny tiny water balls.
Laura, that was something blew up. Made it.
Oh.
Should water more?
Didn't do anything.
That was loud.
Oh my goodness.
That went
They're
right.
going straight towards them.
That was right above our head. Right.
Yeah, water it, Laura. Water it for sure. See, it's there now. It's definitely headed a little more this way. Round 3.
I see him down there.
Round 3.
I see him down there. Dang, we should have brought the binoculars.
Oh yeah.
Anything again?
There he goes. Bombs away.
Yay! No, he did it! He got it right on target.
He was low and away left. And he got a good chunk of it though.
Yeah.
Whoa, trying to balance on the fence here. Not good.
It's getting that fence over there. Oh. Where is he?
Oh, I see fire.
He's getting into smoke.
I know. There he is.
Coming right at us, girls.
No, he's gonna kill her.
Right at us.
Keep going that way.
Come on, baby. Drop it on target.
Come on, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Woo. Where'd he go?
He's in the smoke, heavy duty.
That is a sign.
Police are allowed to speed.
Yeah, you know.
Fire, 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 water, water, water,
It looks like Jim Meyer's car.
Now that it's out. Oh no, it's not out. Look down there where the fire truck is. It's flaming up again.
I told
Stop it.
Oh, he's not. Are we gonna go home today?
what the cops do here. Bring a bucket.
Where is it gonna stay for us?
I need one picture.
Here comes the Jim Meyer's boys.
Fire truck's up on the hill by those houses now, Russ.
Go get that fire. Ain't good tax money over here.
You think I got the sweating?
God, but now the fire's like war. Spotter up there. I can't believe that car didn't pull over. That grove's starting to go. Circle like buzzards. They're pounding on this fire now. Oh, here he comes out of the fire smoke. You got to 17 and quit.
What?
You guys only got to 17 and stopped.
15.
Oh, 15.
Anybody have any other ideas?
Touch your toes. Touch your toes. One.
Cross your legs and touch your toes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tick, 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 tick. Run, 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 run. Melissa, dig.
Second, what happened to the gate part? I know.
That's the team mascot?
Yeah.
The good luck charm?
Miranda, touch it. No. Dad, BC has
Camera.
I'm not Samson.
Hey. Yes.
Melissa.
Come on, Jack, go, Jack, go, Jack, go, Jack, go, Jack.
Take some rips.
Go, Jack, go, Jack, go, Jack, go, Jack, go, Jack, go, come on, Jack.
What?
You only gotta get one more, Allie.
Come on, Melissa, come on, babe.
All right, Allie.
One more, girl.
Good swing, Melissa. Good.
Right back to first, girl. Nice one. Look at the house. Oh, I'm not gonna poke this on the car. What was it, Mandy? Brisket bought me a telescope for my birthday. A nice one. Unless you want to look at the late night stars. With his spotting scope, his rifle.